Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just type here Minecraft, and here you'll find Minecraft launcher. Right click on it and then click app settings, and here click terminate and then click repair. And now don't close this page here, just minimize it, and then right click on your PC and go to NVIDIA control panel, and then once you're here, click use my preference, move it to performance, and then click apply and close this page. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, try to launch Minecraft again. If that doesn't fix it, just click reset. You will lose your data, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.